Hey there campers, Carl from Pete's RV Center here, inviting you down for our Rolling Into Spring sale going on at our Schererville, Indiana location, May 3rd, 4th, and 5th. This is a great time to get yourself a new RV, especially with Memorial Day right around the corner. We all know that's when the camping season really kicks off. So make your way down. We've got hundreds of units on display, fifth wheels, motorhomes, used, new, everything in between, a little bit of something for everyone. And folks, with this Rolling Into Spring sale, we've got amazing promotions for you. Rock bottom pricing on 2019s, wholesale pricing on all of our overstock items, and liquidation pricing on all of our used items as well. So now is the time to take advantage of these great deals. We're also going to be giving away a free hitch or 50-inch TV with every new travel trailer purchase, and a $500 gas card for those of you that purchase a new motorhome. We've also got our spin to win game going on. Folks, you've got your chance to win 4 Cubs tickets, and that's going to be a ton of fun. Great family trip. Great chance for you to maybe even tailgate with your new RV. So come on down to 500 West Lincoln Boulevard in Schererville, Indiana. Check out what Pete's RV has to offer for our Rolling Into Spring sale. We can't wait to see you there, folks, and happy camping.